Hello all, welcome to Sql Query. Today we can check overflows in SQL. So we have one table, customer. It contains customer ID, name, country, and sale amount. Okay, we want to write a query to find maximum and minimum sale amount, including customer ID, name, and country. Okay, so first we can check how to find the maximum sale amount. In this case, we can use aggregate function max. Max of sale amount as max of sale amount. When we will execute this, we are getting the maximum sale amount. Okay, but we want to display customer ID, name, and country. Okay. In this case, we are using customer ID. We can just use one column. Then we try to execute, then it will not work because this is aggregate function. So it is needed group by rows. Okay. So we will execute now this, then we will get the maximum sale amount for each column. Okay. So this way we cannot to find, otherwise we need to use subqueries. Okay. If we are using multiple columns, then we need to group with the multiple columns. Okay. But we want an output in the same table, and after that we want one column, that is maximum sale amount. We want to display maximum sale amount for other column. Okay. So in this type of requirement, then we can use overflows. Okay. So here we can use select star from custom. Okay, we are display all these details. Okay, so after that we can use, we need special columns, then we can use customer ID, country. Okay, here we are using our columns, max of sale amount as max sale amount. Let's just execute this query. Now also it will not work because it is needed aggregate function. Okay, so in this case we can use forward. Open this, close the base. Okay, just execute this. Now we are getting the output. Okay, we are getting all columns, and after that we are getting 7,000. Okay, next we want to display the minimum sale amount. So here we can use min. Min sale amount. Okay, just execute this query. Now we are getting maximum sale amount, that is 7,500, and minimum sale amount, that is 4,000. Okay, now we want another requirement. We want to display the maximum sale amount based on the country. So country India, the maximum sale amount is 6,500. and the minimum sale amount is 4,000. And in UK case, the maximum sale amount is 5,000, the minimum sale amount is 5,000. And in case of USA, the maximum sale amount is 7,500 and minimum sale amount is 7,500. It's only one record. Okay. So in that case, we can use partition. Partition by which one? Contract. Now we can just execute this query. Now we are getting India's maximum sale amount is 6,500. UK 6,000. USA we are getting 7,000. Okay. Same thing we can apply in minimum sale amount also. Just execute. Now we are getting the minimum sale amount for India is 4,000 and UK it is 5,000, USA 7,500. Okay. We want to display the count of customers. Okay, so here we can use for each country count of partition by country. Here we can use count of customers. Just execute. Now we are getting India customers 3, UK customer 2, USA 1. Okay. I want to sum the same amount. Okay. Here we can use sum. That is sum of same amount. Just execute this query. Now we are getting the total 11,500 and 4,000 is 15,500. 6, 5 that is 11,000 and 7,500. That is the sum of sale amount for each country. Okay. Next we want to display the average sale amount. Just execute this query. Now we are getting the average 10,500 divided by 3, that is 5166, and 11,000 divided by 2 is 5,500 and 7,500. Okay, that is the average sale amount. So this way we can use our post, and we want to partition anything, we can use partition. Okay.